Education. Education is very important for everyone. Education is one of the key. Education is the word that teaches person to live life. It has the ability to shape one's life in the right direction. It includes knowledge, belief, skills, values, and moral habits. It improves the way of living and raises the social and economic status of individuals. It prepares oneself or others intellectually for mature life. Everyone has the right to take education. There is no age limit to take education. Education makes life better and peaceful. Thank you.